First, we look at how neuroscience and artificial intelligence are merging. Scientists are studying the human brain to build machines that can truly think. By copying the way our brain cells connect, engineers are creating computers that learn and solve problems just like we do. Hello and welcome back to the ENTECH magazine, March 2026 issue. We feature a beginner's guide on making your first open source contribution. For young programmers, joining a massive software project is often intimidating. This article breaks down large project structures step by step. It shows you how to find simple tasks, read the code, and share your work with the global tech community. Now we will visit our time capsule. We take you on a journey through history with historical events in March. We travel back to March 6, 1869. Russian chemist Dmitry Mendeleev presented the first organized version of the periodic table to the Russian Chemical Society. Dutch astronomer Christian Huygens peered through a telescope of his own making and identified Titan, Saturn's largest moon, on March 25, 1655. It's a great reminder that science is built on the achievements of the past. We explore beryllium in the aerospace industry. Beryllium is a rare metal that is incredibly light but extremely strong. Engineers use it to build satellites and space telescopes because it can handle the freezing cold of outer space without changing its shape. We also look at probability and statistics in daily life. Math is not just for the classroom. From checking the weather forecast to deciding which line is fastest at the grocery store, we use statistics every day. This article explains how understanding numbers helps you make smarter choices. We investigate exactly why onions make you cry. When you cut an onion, you break its cells. This releases a gas that reacts with the water in your eyes to form a mild acid. Your eyes produce tears to wash that irritating acid away. In the world of technology, we examine predictive routing. This is how artificial intelligence chooses the right path for your internet data or your daily commute. By analyzing traffic patterns instantly, smart systems can predict delays and reroute you so you always arrive on time. Now for a big question. Should there be limits on genetic engineering? As scientists gain the ability to change human DNA, we face difficult choices. This article looks at the ethical debates surrounding gene editing. It asks where we should draw the line between curing diseases and creating designer traits. For our curated app this month, we review the Attendance Sheeter app. This is a smart attendance tool designed for teachers. It uses digital features to track who is in class quickly and accurately. This saves valuable teaching time and helps schools keep better records without the usual paperwork. Looking at future skills, we discuss data literacy and data storytelling. Having facts is good, but knowing how to share them is better. This article teaches you how to read charts correctly and use that data to tell a clear, compelling story. It is a critical skill for any future career. In environmental engineering, researchers are turning trash into power. They are studying refuse-derived fuel gasification as a waste-to-energy strategy. In medical science, doctors have found a new warning sign for Alzheimer's disease. They discovered that changes in predictive brain blood flow can act as a silent trigger long before memory loss begins. That's your March 2026 ENTECH magazine preview. Remember, all these articles are available in detail at enteconline.com. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss future science content. Don't forget to share it with friends who love science. Thanks for watching. See you next month.